Hey, this is Adam Shelton and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video, we're going to talk about part 3 on how to get started with the Super Affiliate Network. One of the most powerful online high-ticket affiliate companies out there. It is a terrific place, mainly because of the training in the community. I'll get more involved into what I'm talking about. But if this is your first time here at this channel, you know what to do. Hit the red subscribe button right below this video. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. That way you get notified when I do videos just like this. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. You know what time it is, and you know who this is. This is Adam Shelton, and I'm going to talk about part 3 on how to get started with the Super Affiliate Network. The Super Affiliate Network, oh my goodness. So part 1 and part 2, we talked about signing up. So right below this video, I do have a link on signing up. Is my #1 recommendation on starting your own online business. After that phrase there's a link. You click on that link and you go ahead and get signed up. You'll put your email address in there. After that, there is another page that says a video. There's a video. Watch that video and then you'll go ahead and sign up with your $1 trial for the training and for you can start your online business. Now, in part 3, we're going to talk about more about the modules. Now, when you first get signed up, obviously, let me go back. I'm going to go back here. I'm going to go back. Let's go. I'm going to log out real fast. I'm going to log out of the system because I want to show you a little recap in case you didn't watch part 1 and part 2. But I definitely want you to watch both of those videos. Now, this is part 3. Now, obviously, you'll go ahead and log in with your username and password. That's a simple thing to do. Username, password. We're going back to the basics in a way. Back to the basics. Back to the basics. So when you go ahead and log in here, and don't forget, when you go ahead and get signed up, you're going to be assigned an advisor to walk you through each and every step. So you're not alone. So think about this. You're not alone in the system. You're not going to be alone in the system. Each and every single step, the advisor is going to walk you through. So the first thing, obviously, you want to go start here and you want to go ahead and schedule your session with your advisor and watch this video. That's the CEO of the company. Is basically telling you about the Super Affiliate Network and telling you all the benefits of being part of this revolution. I believe it is a revolution place. This is a community of high, powerful online business mindset business owners. You're going to learn a ton of things of growing your own business and beginning your journey to make more online. But during your journey, once again, I do have a disclaimer below this video. Results are not typical, but I want to tell you that it's the education and the training is going to get you where you need to go. So here you go. You'll go ahead and start there. And then after you watch the video and schedule your session, you will start here on the modules right here. I'm going to go here, phase 1. So you'll go ahead and do the modules. You'll go ahead and do all the modules. Now, what they're going to say is you want to watch every module, every single one that's down here. Module 1, Module 2, Module 3. So they're really going to say you need to watch the first 3 modules. Definitely watch the modules, take all your homework, listen to what they're saying, and do what I did. What I did was I watched all the modules, and then I watched it the second time, and I took notes after each module. That way I understand what's going on, especially because when you're watching something the first time, you may not get it the first time. You probably need a second time, like a refresher. That way you'll understand exactly what's going on. And check this out. When you go ahead and start your module, that information will go to the advisor and he or she will see that information. So if you have any questions, you can go back to the advisor. Or if I'm your sponsor, you can always ask me any question and I'll basically guide you in the right direction. We're here to help you. I'm here to help you. Super Affiliate Network is here to help you to succeed online. And this education is going to help you build your mindset and your business world in terms of growing your business. So check this out. You got strategies and tactics. You know, what's the difference between strategy and tactics? You know, strategy is about a plan. You want a plan to be able to build your business. You just don't want to just go all the time. You need to have a strategy. Well, that module is going to break that down there. Module 2 is going to tell you the 5 pillars to profitable online. It's going to give you the 5 reasons and the 5 things what you need to do for building a business. Millionaire mindset. This is one of my favorite modules because it's all about your mindset. To me, when you start an online business, it starts up here. It really starts up in your mindset, and it starts about your vision and what you're going to do for growing your business. But you need to have the right subconscious mind, the belief system, to believe that you can achieve all these things. And that module is really, really good. Module 4, you're talking about the autonomy of the multi-million-dollar sales funnel. That sales funnel training is fantastic. It's going to show you the beginning to the end of how to create the sales funnel and why you need a sales funnel and what would sales funnel do for you, what would sales funnel do for your business, what would that sales funnel do for growing your business to even higher standards. And module 5, how to find winning offers that converts. Yes, he really goes over this training. Finding the winning offers that converts, it's like almost finding like the winning ticket. You know, the winning lotto ticket in a way, but in a business term. I don't want to get it all confused. But it's like you want to find the winning offers that converts because you want to be able to, of course, make money online. I get that. But you want to find things that's going to help people. Where are people attracted to? Where are people wanting? You want to be able to solve the problems, locate the problem, and have the solution. And that winning offer, that's the solution, by the way. So he's going to show you exactly how to identify the winning offers and what to do next from there. So those modules, those top 5 modules there, so you watch all the modules and then you'll go to the next phase. So I want to just go over just to check you out and say, these are the modules you will do. This is part 3 in my series. And the reason why I want to go back over the modules because the module is so important. And sometimes people pass these modules. They just go all through it. And then I'm understanding, I'm getting the education. I'm gaining the knowledge to be able to grow or even start a business. Now I know you, right now, you're sitting there thinking, it's part 3. Where are we going to get to the marketing? Well, this is the marketing. Before you get to the marketing, you got to get through the training, right? Right below this video, I do have that link for you. Go ahead and get signed up. My #1 recommendation to start your own online business. Click on that link to get started and you'll go ahead and start these modules. But first, an advisor will guide you through. After the advisor guides you what you need to do, you'll start the training. And remember, the modules goes from 1 to 16. Let me show you that right here. 1 to 16. So you got all of them up here. You see that? The module 15. Oh, you know, it's a bonus module in there. So that's all I wanted to talk about. Go over the modules. You can do this. The training is fantastic. My next video, I'm going to break down, after you're done with the modules and everything, I want to break down a little bit of the back office a little bit. And it's mainly pretty much like your profile, the statistics, the leaderboard, those kind of things, simple things there that you want to know, that is good to know when you go ahead and get signed up. I want to break things down, but I want part 3 to go back over the modules and how important to get through the modules. A lot of people don't even get through them, but I believe you will. I believe you will get to the modules. Don't forget, below this video, there's a link. Go ahead and sign up for your $1 free trial. All that information for $1. Come on now. Build your own business. This is a new year. It's time to do something for you and your legacy. Go right to the bootcamp like you see right there. Schedule your session with your advisor and go ahead and crush it in this new year. Well, I'll see you in the next video. The next video, we're going to talk about part 4, and we're going to talk a little bit more about the Super Affiliate Network, mainly about the back end stuff, things, some really cool stuff, mainly just stats and your profile. I'm going to break a little bit more of that down in the next video. But don't forget to click on the link below to get started. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe as well. Click on the link below, my #1 recommendation to start your online business. And I'll see you on the next video. Have a good day.